Hey one, staplers. They're like the best thing to hold your papers with. I have a stapler right here. You can like do this, and even do this. But here's my thing. Staplers are not really that great. The reason why I say this is because do you think a little staples from the stapler, ah crap, my battery's low, will hold more than this giant paper clip? I don't think so. In fact, I sometimes wish I would have brought my script here because this is the perfect example to show you how a little stapler can't hold more than 20 pages with a giant paper clip. Because that script is incredibly long. Come on. I lost count even. Anyways. So, yeah. That's my thing. Leave a comment on your thing. Cue cutoff prevention.